Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add background image in PowerPoint. So the first step you simply need to do is to open PowerPoint. So let me add a new slide. So blank slide for example. So I added, then you need to go on to the insert and here you can see option of picture. You can select this device, stock images, online pictures. So you can select from Microsoft library of stock images. So here you can see that it is now loading, so you can find different. So for example, we're going to go with this image for example. So now it is downloading. Let me make it a little smaller, select that and cover the entire page like this. Scroll down and here it is. So let me show you the final result. So here you can see. So this is the process how you can add a background image in PowerPoint. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.